Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see FitGirl game installation. I show you guys how to do it. Just need to go to search now and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select virus and threat protection and select manage settings. You just need to turn off the real-time protection. And now minimize this page and double click on the setup and select yes. Select the language and select OK. If you are under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this option guys. Make sure nothing is running in the background and then select next and select next. Select the location where you want to save this game and select next. Check all these guys and then select next install option. After the game installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select the add and exclusion and select folder and navigate to the game folder guys. I saved in C drive games folder. Here is the game folder. Select folder option and now the game has been added to this list. Go back and turn on the real-time protection and then just to close stuff here and uncheck these option guys, open site and redirect to this site and then select the finish option. And as you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or no bad files found. And now just to close stuff here and install these DirectX and Visual C++ guys. And after all this done, the game launched successful. And by following these steps, you can able to install GTA 5 without errors, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.